There's so many easy money schemes online that when you hear about another one promising to make you a fortune these days, that it all sounds like a scam. Well, what if we told you we found something that's not a fraud and will actually make you money without too much of an effort on your part? And yes, it involves watching videos on YouTube. It's a great way to make money on the side, and even through doing something you do already regularly, consuming video content on YouTube. Additionally, if you're hoping to work in film or television, it'll look real good on your resume. We'll break it down for you so you know exactly how it works and don't have to worry about anything. First, you start by identifying videos you usually enjoy watching on YouTube. However, they have to be associated with a popular keyword. For example, let's say you enjoy watching gaming tutorials. You can search for popular YouTubers who make this sort of content, such as PewDiePie. Or you could search for the keyword itself, such as Cyberpunk or Resident Evil. Basically, any type of video that rakes in a large amount of views in a short time will do the trick. You need to view the videos properly from start to finish and make sure that they're of a decent quality and worth being viewed. Then there's a website called shrinkme.io, which is used for shortening links. This website will pay you for watching those YouTube videos. You have to sign up and make an account here, which is free, by the way. Here, you will use this service to make smaller aliases of the same URL, and you will be paid according to how many times your shortened URL was clicked on and viewed by people on the internet. When you shorten a URL, it makes it much easier on the eye, and the CTR, click-through rate, increases. Now, there are two types of link shorteners, one that pays you and one that doesn't. Shrinkme.io is the highest paying one in the game nowadays. Therefore, even though there are many services providing this for you online, however, through this one, you can also make the most money. This is a very simple and easy way to monetize the traffic you pull in. This is because when users click on the shortened link, they are taken through ads before being led to the main page. This will definitely irritate audiences, though. After making an account, you will be redirected to a dashboard where all the views your IRL got, as well as the money you've collected, which will all be neatly displayed. After viewing the video and making sure it's top-tier quality, you'll copy the link and go back to shrinkme.io and click on the New Shorten Link option in the menu bar on the left and paste it in the empty bar. Now that you have the shortened URL, what you're going to do is type your video's keyword in the search bar and find threads related to it. There are millions of people from all over discussing the game, and now you have to participate in the forum and convince people to watch the video through your shortened URL. Another way to get your URL out there for people is to open through Google. Typing Cyberpunk into the search bar and news next to it will ensure that the content fetched for you is as recent as possible. Most of these articles and such will have a comment section or some sort of interactive forum where you can drop your link and be sure that it'll be reached by a decent number of people. You'll have to spread the link as much as possible to make as much money as you can. It also helps to write a small article into which your link is incorporated, which will in turn be copy-pasted into the forums, your social medias, etc., to reach as many web surfers as possible and attain the highest traffic. You earn money through generating traffic towards the video, because these videos have advertisements embedded in them. And when you have more viewers, the ad will be viewed more, plus the ad placement will be more sought after. It's essentially a win-win situation for everyone. You can even use link shorteners for AdSense or some other program for advertising on your site. There are many websites on the internet similar to this. Shrinkme.io is the most well-paying and verified amongst all of them. When your referrals start paying off, you also get referral points. It's pretty accommodating too, as there's the option of several payment transfer methods, including PayPal, Paytm, Bitcoin, Payeer, bank transfers, and Skrill. It's also available in many different countries. One of the main reasons we are advocating this service over the other hundreds that provide the same is that you can withdraw money with a low minimum payout, which is a very small sum of $5. And on top of that, you even get a bonus when you make your account. Unlike with the other websites where you have to wait till you make a significant amount of cash to withdraw the money. Plus, payment happens on a daily basis. So if you're ever in need of some cash fast, this method could help you out. There's also referral bonuses. However, if you join through someone else's referral link, you'll be charged $1. If you refer someone you know to this service, you'll get 20% of the money they make off this service forever. You also have the option of going to the website's payment proof page and seeing verified testimonials from people who use this service to make money. You might be thinking that there's no way enough people will click on the link to make you any real money. However, surveys have proved that links that have been shortened do generate traffic, and people are more inclined to click on them. Short links just somehow seem more authentic and trustworthy to most people than the larger ones. If you're still skeptical, you can check the website itself. There is proof of payment too, and an FAQ section for all your queries. The paying rate is $7 for every 1,000 views and $220 for every 10,000 views. And there are certain conditions for where and how the views are coming in too. The viewer must have JavaScript and cookies turned on. They must have spent at least 10 seconds visiting the link and have landed at the final page. The service also has a round-the-clock support team to help you out and answer all your questions. We also collected some tips to go about this venture. The first being that it helps to have your audience analyzed, to see thoroughly what tactics you should work with and what will help you make the most money. Also, what category of videos will be the most rewarding to work with in this case. A problem that many people come across is that many forums and such do not allow links to be posted, for they are mostly just spam, and no one wants a forum overridden with junk. The only way to get around this is to leave a space between the full stops connecting the link. People will copy-paste the link and remove the spaces. However, this may decrease the click-through rate, so we suggest using forums where you don't have to do that and using as many forums as possible. If you are using the shortened links on your own web pages, even better. For redirecting audiences from one web page to another increases website session duration, and this boosts your SEO. However, the one downside to this is that most of the time link shorteners do negatively affect your SEO. But if your main focus is just to monetize traffic, then go for it. But to do this, your audience must have some incentive to click on the link. The shorter and more appealing the link looks, the better. Earn as much as $5 in just a minute. Yes, you heard it right. You can now earn free PayPal money in just a matter of seconds. It all depends on how you follow all the steps correctly. The best part? You don't necessarily need your laptop for this. Who knew that you can earn around $5 in just 60 seconds from just your phone? Even though this works from any device, whether phone or your laptop, you don't need to make any huge investments for this. The website which pays money to watch entertainment videos and surveys. You will never skip survey forms or entertainment videos anymore, as this website allows you to earn money through that. Now, who would skip these? Want to know which website we're talking about? It's called rewardingway.com. Trust us when we say this. You'll be getting rewards in more ways than one. Waiting for a whole month to get your money won't be a thing now. If you're tired from having to wait for the start of next month to get your salary, then we might have a solution for that. This website pays you your earned money instantly. Not only this, it also offers many solutions for you to withdraw your money from. So if you don't have a PayPal account, then you can withdraw your earnings through Amazon gift card, Skrill, or even Bitcoin. That is why this website is so convenient to use, because apart from just watching surveys and some videos, you can earn money from that hand in hand. There you have it, folks. An A to Z guide on making some sweet, easy money without ever having to step foot outside your door.